I have my tailgate latch here, and you can see it's moving pretty freely. It's not sticking. It was sticking though, but now it doesn't stick. And what I had to do is, it's going to be hard to do in the camera. I had to take a pair of pliers, put it here, and I had to bend this downwards. Okay, so bend this down, and then go to the opposite side. Hold these in. Get your, see if you can get an angle here. Get your pliers here, and then bend that downwards as well. And what that will help do is it'll prevent binding here. It'll prevent binding here. So then this shouldn't stick anymore. I mean, greasing helps. I mean, I've greased this a million times, but this and this was causing it to bind. Took me a while to figure out, but it moves a lot more freely now, and hopefully shouldn't hang up.